parents and spouses. I welcome all of you for this weekly meeting and summer fellowship. May I request everybody to stand for half a minute silent prayer for world peace and understanding. Thank you. Please be seated. Announcements for the birthdays and anniversaries this week. On the 6th of June, Dr. Jugal Kishore Agarwal celebrated his birthday. There is a thank you also celebrated his birthday. Spouses who celebrated their birthdays, 8th of June, Kavita Agarwal. 8th of June again, Harish Munot. 10th of June, Shamik Ambatkar. 10th again, Ranjana Khotke. 12th of June, Minal Vairagade celebrated her birthday. Anniversaries this week. 6th of June, Rohit and Gayatri Bhure celebrated their anniversary. 7th of June, this is a double decker. Bhupesh and Mahadevi Shinde. So Bhupesh, you are supposed to come twice. Sunshine box. 8th of June, Amol and Rashmi Nilawar celebrated their anniversary. 9th of June, it was Aarti and Ashish Kalodi. Friends, for project announcements for the coming week, may I request our directors to kindly come forward and make their announcements quickly. Jugal, Vanita, Amit, project announcements. Any announcements regarding distribution of books? Vanita?
We will do it, but abhi it is not decided.
So you'll announce on Monday. All right?
I like to announce.
Yes, please come.
Good evening, President. Good evening, all. Zyada loud hounga. Anyways, I have one announcement to be made. Like this is in the Committee of Sports. We will be distributing the sports items at Savne's Defendum School, Savne, somewhere on 28th or 29th of June.
Thank you, Amit. And before that, I suppose box cricket is on the cards. Jugal, please come forward.
We'll be going to have the vocational awards in the coming week or the next week. Already we are in process of deciding the awardees. Another announcement is that we have started the vocational training on computers, training the trainer. Today I visited Dongargaon and Roi village, where the trainers are now imparting the training to the students of the villages. So that project is going on.
Very good work, Jugal, with your vocational training and InfoSeps. Friends, in this evening's fellowship program, it gives me immense pleasure to also announce that the Seva International Jan Kalyan Kari Samiti, fashion designers from this institution are part of the evening program. The Institute of Fashion Technology, Maharishi Karve Stri Shikshan Sanstha Pune, girls, that is the fashion designers from this organization, are also helping us in today's program. And the girls who are trained under Sundari program as beauticians, they are also here to make our ladies look even more beautiful. I would now invite Rotarian Harshal from the Rotary Club of Khamgaon to make an announcement.
Good evening, everybody. I would first of all thank Vikram sir and Sule madam for giving me this opportunity to stand in front of you. And basically, I am the coordinator for your club from Rotary Club of Khamgaon for Anand Utsav. That is the conference of Rotarian DG Anand Chunjunwala, who is from Khamgaon, in 7th-8th January 23. So we are in touch with your next year's president and secretary regarding the registration process. So good news is that 15th July is the last date for registration under first slab, which was earlier 30 April. Earlier it was extended till 1st of June and now it has been extended till 15th of July. Single registration is 6,000 rupees and couples registrations are 11,000 rupees. So I would like to welcome you all because we are getting prepared to host like a very big number of attendees which might have not been there in the past events. Shegao is equipped with very good amount of accommodation facilities, and if you have never visited Shegao, this would be a golden chance for you to visit Shegao with your friends and family, of course Rotarian friends and family and kids of course. So try your level best to get yourself registered as early as possible because they say that they will be shutting down, but I don't know about that. And yes, latest on this info is we are in touch with Shri Nitinji Gadkari for a speaker, Anuradha Podwal ma'am, and also Shri Mohanji Bhagwat sir. These three people have been approached physically by us and like confirmation aa jayega aisa lagta hai. Okay sir. So you can contact me this evening also for registration, and hereafter like you can be in touch with your next year's president and secretary for the registrations. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Harshal. We will also provide you the list of Rotarians who are likely to attend the conference. Before I hand over the proceedings to the program commit, the Summer Fellowship Committee, it also gives me pleasure to announce that the RCC Nanda, Sri Krishna, the President, is here and has set up a stall on my left. This is to sell various items which RCC Nanda has been producing. Friends, take the opportunity to buy the plants from the nursery, the compost and some food items which have been prepared by the RCC Nanda team of ladies who work there and encourage them. May I now call upon Director Madhumati to please come forward.
Shri Krishna,
Namaskar. In case, Madhu, you wish to have a break, I shall adjourn the meeting now. Yeah, please stand for the national anthem, please.
भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you. The meeting is adjourned.
Nidhi Gandhi, who will introduce us with our partners for this program.
A very warm welcome to everybody. And today I'm really glad to introduce our partners. So this show is with a cause, something with a purpose. And हमारे साथ में आज जो हमारे पार्टनर्स हैं, ये लोग भी बहुत अच्छे कॉज को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. लड़कियों की शिक्षण में, लड़कियों को अच्छा शिक्षण देना, उनको इस तरह का शिक्षण देना कि उनको रोजगार मिले. So Maharshi Karve Stree Shikshan Sanstha, I think all of you must have heard. It is one of the oldest sanstha, oldest education society, university now in India, where Karve ji ne jo start kiya tha educating women. So he was among the pioneers who had started educating, और जो कि drive उन्होंने चालू किया था to educate women. So we have a college here of Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshan Sanstha, wherein अलग-अलग courses चलते हैं उनके काफ़ी सारे, and one of the courses is IFT, that is Institute of Fashion Technology. So we have girls from Institute of Fashion Technology here who have supported us as designers. So it is all the designs. Along with them, we have Seva International Jan Kalyankari Samiti, wherein RSS is sponsoring these girls to study fashion design in IFT college. Okay? So these girls are supporting these designers at backstage. Again, along with that, we have our very own Sundari Project girls who have done makeup and all the beautification of our participants. So this is just a beginning, I think, wherein we are not only educating but providing platform as well. So I would like to invite and felicitate Madhubala Sabu ma'am from IFT College for lending their support for this cause. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. She would just like to say a few words about the college.
हेलो एवरीवन, निधि गांधी मैम तथा रोटरी क्लब के सारे पदाधिकारियों को धन्यवाद, आज हमें यहाँ बुलाया। ये संस्था इतनी बड़ी है कि थोड़े से शब्दों में नहीं बोल सकती हूँ, लेकिन फिर भी मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि इस संस्था के बारे में आपको कुछ जानकारी दूँ। जन कल्याण समिति संस्थान तथा सेवा इंटरनेशनल संस्थान द्वारा शहर से दूर बसे गांव गरीब तथा होनहार लड़कियां जिन्हें फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग में अपना करियर करना है, ऐसी लड़कियों को एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म देने के लिए उनके रहने खाने की व्यवस्था के साथ उनकी ट्रेनिंग का पूरा खर्च उठाने की जो योजना चलाई है, इस योजना में हमारा भी कुछ योगदान है। महर्षि कर्वे स्त्री शिक्षण संस्थान नागपुर प्रकल्प के MKSS वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट में पिछले 3 महीने से जो फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग एंड गारमेंट टेक्नोलॉजी में से संबंधित कार्य का ट्रेनिंग ले रही है, इन लड़कियों को सृजनशीलता और लोगों के बीच लाने के लिए निधि गांधी तथा रोटरी क्लब नागपुर द्वारा जो अवसर प्रदान किया है, इस अवसर के लिए हम रोटरी क्लब को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देते हैं। इसके अलावा नागपुर तथा वर्धा जिले में विभिन्न गवर्नमेंट ITI कॉलेजेस की लड़कियों के लिए ऑन जॉब ट्रेनिंग का सफल आयोजन किया जाता है। हाल ही में गवर्नमेंट ITI सीताबर्डी के साथ मिलकर सुरेश भट्ट सभागृह में एक फैशन शो का सफल आयोजन किया गया था। हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट में केवल फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग एंड गारमेंट टेक्नोलॉजी से संबंधित कार्य का ट्रेनिंग ही नहीं दिया जाता, उनको एक सफल उद्योजक के लिए भी उन्हें तैयार किया जाता है, मार्गदर्शन दिया जाता है। महर्षि कर्वे स्त्री शिक्षण संस्थान नागपुर प्रकल्प MKSS वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट पिछले 3 महीने से फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग एंड गारमेंट टेक्नोलॉजी यूनिट द्वारा विभिन्न कोर्स चलाए जाते हैं। आपकी जानकारी के लिए थोड़ा सा मैं बता देती हूँ। 2 ईयर MSBT का 2 ईयर डिप्लोमा कोर्स इन ड्रेस डिज़ाइनिंग एंड गारमेंट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, MSBV का 1 ईयर डिप्लोमा कोर्स इन गारमेंट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग। और इसके अलावा आज मुझे बताते हुए बड़ी खुशी हो रही है कि अभी तक सारे डिप्लोमा कोर्सेज हुआ करते थे अपने नागपुर में, ये पहली बार महर्षि कर्वे शिक्षण संस्थान में डिग्री कोर्स शुरू होने जा रहा है। और ये 1 हफ्ते पहले ही इसका डिसीजन हुआ। ये पहला प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां हम आपको इन्फॉर्म कर रहे हैं कि इस तरह का एक डिग्री कॉलेज हमारे नागपुर सिटी में आ रहा है। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So we do have people from Jan Kalyankari Yojana also, but I think they are running late, so we'll felicitate them later. I'll hand over the mic to Nilesh Bhaiya.
Friends, now it's time to acknowledge the efforts taken by the students of these 2 colleges in making this fashion show happen. Trust me, in last 10 days when we asked them to make something without spending anything, something to be used from your own house and do the needful, they happily did it, and it was worth interacting with them and knowing their ideas. So right time, we acknowledge their efforts. And every time they come here to collect their certificate, a round of applause from you will definitely motivate them and make them successful. पायल पारतेकी, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इसके लिए। दीपशिका सुब्बा, खुबुन पिलक नुबुंग, खुबुन पिलक नुबुंग, प्राची साल्वे, अश्विनी गावंडे, थोड़ी और तालियां सबकी तरफ से, थैंक यू। मोहिनी बनाफार, पल्लवी पारसे, पायल ठाकरे, शुभांगी भालावी, वैष्णवी लक्ष्मण, पूजा यरशंकर, दीप्ति मांडे, मयूरी राजपोले, मांडे, पूजा यरशंकर, पूजा यरशंकर, मानसी साल्वे, ऋषिल कलमकर, सुनीता बर्डे, आतिक्षा चांदेकर, आतिक्षा चांदेकर, अचल बट नॉट गांधी, अचल ठाकरे। So thank you friends, this was a team of 21 students who has helped us in this project and has benefited in their vocation, and of course your round of applause for them will motivate them. Thank you so much.
I'm Shantala,
I'm Akshay.
and we welcome you all today to this really special, दिल को छू देने वाला शो, जो RCMB का फैशन शो है,
Revamp on Ramp. Every time we hear the words fashion show, we think of beautiful models, glamorous attires, paparazzis, after parties, छोटे छोटे कपड़े. But have you ever heard of a show being done for a cause? A show organized just to give platform to the underprivileged students loaded with talents. A show to teach you to be more sensitive towards nature and society.
we at RCMB have come up with such a show. Here we have a gorgeous and beautiful RCMBians dressed in the latest and the most trendy clothes. But it is sustainable, it is reusable, and it has been designed by the students of IIFT College and the beneficiaries of the Sundari project. The theme of the show is recycle, reuse, refurbish, revamp on the ramp.
और इतना रिसाइकल रीयूज करके भी अगर ग्लैमरस दिखे तो सोने पे सुहागा है. पर सोने पे सुहागा एक और चीज है कि ये पूरे शो के कपड़ों को बनाने के लिए एक भी रुपया खर्चा नहीं किया गया है.
Exactly. And we all know that the fashion industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry. But it promotes a culture of single use and throw. याद है ना, सेलिब्रिटीज चेक करते हैं कि एक बार एक आउटफिट में फोटो हो गया तो वापस वो रिपीट नहीं करेंगे. And we all know that the textile industry is actually one of the most polluting industries in the world today.
We have collaborated with IFT College Nagpur, where fashion design students and students from Jan Kalyankari Yojana, sponsored by RSS, have designed outfits for the show. This is the first time most of them would be getting a public platform to showcase their talents.
And we all know about the Sundari project, right? The RCMB Sundari project was started for students and the underprivileged girls in September 2021. And through RCMB, they were trained in beautician and makeup courses so that they can be financially independent and be self-sustainable. In fact, Akshay, you know, there were some COVID-affected families who really benefited from this course. And this course is not only in the cities, but in the villages too. So friends, I think RCMB has done a fantastic job in empowering women. Hats off to you, RCMB. Let's give RCMB a big round of applause.
शांतला 9 बज गए हैं. अगर हम यहीं पर बकर बकर करते रहेंगे तो मालूम पड़ा धीरे से पीछे से अंडे चालू हो जाएंगे. Let's get the action started. I'm sure everyone is waiting for looking into the glamorous girls and guys from RCNB.
Yes, exactly.
But I thought today was all about nature and environment and go green. But you're wearing so much red.
You know why? Because the first round is the red carpet round.
Oh, red carpet मतलब वो हीरो हीरोइन जो आते हैं, हम सिर्फ टीवी पे देखते हैं, ताली बजाते हैं, हैप्पी हो जाते हैं, वो वाला रेड कार्पेट.
Exactly, you know. Remember? आप सबने देखा होगा टीवी पे, है ना? The excitement, the posing, the attention, the camera, the lights. आज तो अक्षय मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं ही सेलिब्रिटी हूँ.
तो हम भी कोई सेलिब्रिटी से कम है क्या? चलो आओ एक सेल्फी हो जाए. Friends, remember Aladdin's flying carpet? Our dashing RCND couples are going to transport you to another land, the land of music and masti. Give a big round of applause for the first round, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes. Let's start the red carpet round.
Shantala, what exactly are you doing here?
मैं वापस अपने बचपन के दिनों में खो गई हूँ, you know, those childhood days when we used to play in nature, गार्डन में खेलते थे, बटरफ्लाइज पकड़ते थे, समर वेकेशन में बीच में जाके सागर में खेलते थे, एंड बारिश के दिनों में फ्रेंड्स के साथ भीग जाते थे, कितना मजा आता था ना।
मुझे एक सुंदर शायरी याद आ गई। कागज की कश्ती थी, पानी का किनारा था, खेलने की मस्ती थी, ये दिल आवारा था। कहाँ आ गए हम इस समझदारी के दलदल में, वो नादान बचपन ही कितना प्यारा था।
So true. वो सुंदर सुंदर बचपन के दिन हमें हमेशा याद रहेंगे, you know. And I think बच्चे are very connected to nature. And when you're connected, nature is healing. It's so cathartic.
नेचर बोले तो जल, वायु, अग्नि, आकाश, धरती, और इनको अगर आप लिंक करो बच्चों से तो एक कंप्लीट प्योरिटी आ जाती है। RCNV, let us take a vow to keep the child inside us, live alive and thriving. बच्चों का क्या है, जैसे अपने क्लब में लड़ते झगड़ते हैं लेकिन शाम को मिट्टी करके अपने घर वापस चले जाते हैं। So hold your breath, ladies and gentlemen. RCNV kids are going to rock and inspire in elements of nature.
Let's put our hands together for the rocking RCMB kids.
For the kids, I think थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा claps चाहिए।
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, कितने हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, कितने हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी।
बच्चों ने बड़ों के नेले पे थैला जरूर दे दिया है. What say guys?
I think they were simply fabulous. And they conveyed such a beautiful message, you know. मुझे ओशो की वो कुछ शब्द याद आ गए. You are a guest here. Leave this earth a little more beautiful, a little more human, a little more lovable, a little more fragrant for all the other guests who are going to come here.
The next round is the traditions of India round. Our country has such a diverse and vibrant tradition of clothes and culture. Not only the variety of fabrics, but weaving techniques, embellishments, wearing styles and accessories of various types from different states of the country. Every single piece narrates a story, a riveting saga about the craftsman, culture or heritage. We're truly proud of our heritage and fashion.
You know what, अक्षय, मुझे लगता है आज तो हमारी लड़कियां बड़ी कंफ्यूज हो गई होंगी. क्या पहने? लखनऊ का चिकनकारी वाला कुर्ता या जरदोजी वाला अनारकली, पलाजोस के साथ कुर्ती या घाघरा चोली. And you know what? The queen of all outfits, the sari.
सारी से एक गाना याद आ गया. सारी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे.
हट, अरे जा रे हट, नटखट ना छूल मेरा घूंघट, पलट के दूंगी आज तुझे गाली रे, मुझे समझो ना तुम भोली भाली रे.
और अगर नाम पूछना हो,
Oh, what are you going to do?
अरे लाल दुपट्टे वाली तेरा नाम तो बता, अरे काले कुर्ते वाली तेरा नाम तो बता.
इससे जरूर बेटा तू आज जूते खाएगा.
अरे यहाँ पर बैठे आधे से ज्यादा लोगों की प्यार की कहानियां चप्पलों से ही चालू हुई है शांतला.
Very true, I agree. And to all these gorgeous women waiting backstage, I would like to say, चुनरी संभाल गोरी, उड़ी चले जाए रे, मार ना दे डंक कोई नजर गई.
With a big round of applause, please welcome the hotties of RCNV for the traditional round. आवाज कम आ रही है, सबको भूख लग गई लग रहा है. Let's not forget, इतने अच्छे कॉस्ट्यूम्स, इतने ट्रेडिशनल आउटफिट्स आप देख रहे हो. Let's not forget the girls from IFT and Sundari, those who have done this remarkable job. You know, IFT की एक लड़की से मेरी बात हुई, क्यूबिन पिलक बुम, या that's the name. मेरे को 2 दिन प्रैक्टिस करके नाम करेक्ट करने में लगा है. From Nagaland, you know, a remote part in Northeast, जहाँ के कोई city से भी नहीं. She came here to Nagpur like 15 years back to try and make her name in the industry of fashion. So people have come from far away, all parts of the country, to a place like Nagpur. And as a group, as a society, as an organization, we are proud that we are giving these girls a chance to showcase their talents. Arey, why are you so late?
I'm very stressed, you know. I was answering a phone call from the Met Gala.
Met Gala, oh, मतलब वो न्यूयॉर्क में जो शो होता है, जहाँ पर एकदम वो वैकी, बिजार, आउटराइट क्रेजी कपड़े पहन के लोग आते हैं और हम सब इंस्टा रील्स पे उनको फॉलो करते हैं. वो
हाँ, and वो लोग बहुत टेंशन में थे, they were very stressed, you know.
Why?
क्या करें, इंडिया से कोई मॉडल ही नहीं पहुंचा वहाँ पे. सोनम इज प्रेग्नेंट, यू नो, सोनम कपूर, शी इज प्रेग्नेंट, शी इज हैविंग अ बेबी. करीना और अनुष्का तो मम्मी खेलने में ही बिजी है. प्रियंका भी. तो इंडिया से कोई आया ही नहीं. शो स्टॉपर कौन बनेगा?
अरे चिल, काहे की चिंता है. हमारे RCND की करीना, कटरीना और सोनम अब आपके सामने आने वाली है. So they are all ready for the more is less round.
What is this more is less round?
So all of you have heard less is more. More is less is something in which all these girls have got stuff from their house. You know, जो भी बच गया, कार्डबोर्ड, टिश्यू पेपर, किसी ने तो टॉयलेट पेपर भी ले गया, सब पहन लिया. More is less. ऐसा
I
बताने के लिए.
think कर्टन और सोफा को भी नहीं छोड़ा इन लड़कियों ने.
If we can take our planet, it will be heaven on earth. That is really, really great. So what are we waiting for? Let's invite them on stage with a big round of applause.
That was so fantastic, ना? They were looking so beautiful. मुझे कभी ऐसा लगा नहीं था कि घर के सामान से भी इतना सुंदर फैशन और इतने सुंदर डिजाइन बन सकते हैं. You know what, Akshay? These girls are actually healing the world with fashion.
Healing the world से याद आया. Healing the world से याद आया कि अभी और reusable and recyclable items आपको देखने हैं. So let us give again for the same round one more big round of applause.
that was really eye-popping and fantastic. Now, we're going to have all the participants on stage for the grand finale. I request all the participants to please be ready for the grand finale.
So the claps should not stop. सारे जिन्होंने इतनी मेहनत की है, प्लीज तालियों के साथ में सबका स्वागत करेंगे.
बेटा पीछे आ जाओ.
सोचो ना, देखो तो, देखो ना क्या हुआ इत्तेफाक से. हमें जो खोते हैं, मिलते हैं फिर यहाँ इत्तेफाक से.
Outstanding and incredible, amazing. You know, friends, it's also time to celebrate all the hard-working committee members and our designers today. So, I would like to call upon stage the students of IFT College of Fashion. Can we have the music, please?
Team leader, Yuvin Pilak book.
The designer for the bonus dress round, Deepthi Mande.
Elements of earth, Pooja Yesankar.
The red carpet
the floor is open to you. Dance करिए, ramp walk करिए और enjoy करिए. So the party continues.